Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I have a look of Hedera hashgraph. What's the price change going and Hedera, what's the high price of Hedera and what is the current status of Hedera, I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Abby's Tech channel give you update every hour from every new cryptocurrencies news. Now as you can see here, that is live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph of the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, that is live price. As you can see here, the average change occurred in the Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour is negative 4.95% chance. Absolutely bad chance occur in Hedera in the last 1 hour. If we look at the chart analysis of Hedera hashgraph, so the chart analysis tell us that it's a continuously falling period of Hedera or starts now. So friends, don't sell it at this time. My suggestion for all of you to hold it, because it is a start of new month. That is why they falls down continuously. So don't sell it at this time, please. As you can see here, that high price of Hedera in the last 1 hour is about $0.31236 is the high price of Hedera in the last 1 hour. That is live price prediction of last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction, what's the change goes, and the last 2 hour what's the high price of Hedera in the last 2 hour. Let's see. As you can see here, the last 2 hour price prediction chart analysis tell us that in the start of previous hours they take a jump, but unfortunately at the start of this last 1 hour they continuously and high fastly falling down. Average change occur in Hedera in the last 2 hour is about negative 6.01% chance goes and the last 2 hour, and the high price of Hedera is about $0.316835 is the high price of Hedera in the last 2 hour. So friends, that is live price prediction of last 2 hour, last 1 hour. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. According to the price prediction, my suggestion for all of Hedera holder, that hold your Hedera with the last of this month, because their big pumps are coming soon. So wait for their big pumps and they will make you millionaire in this month. So please subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news, and also press the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video.
सही रहा हवा